Hi guys, we made it to Lowe's. It's time to get our new pot.
Still no black-eyed Susans yet.
No, see, it was a good thing that I picked up whatever that fuchsia colored one was called. Every time I've been here since, this is like my third or fourth visit, they have not got those back. Or else they're always going like that.
See, these are a pretty one. Oh wait, I think we have those ones at home actually.
Yeah, some of them are really pretty. Okay. So we're going to need 2 bags of Miracle Grow potting soil. Sue said we need plant food and we need 1 pot.
Okay.
Now the pot has to be the same color but a different pattern. It needs to be plastic and lightweight. Like that'd be pretty, but I gotta be able to carry it.
See, we need a couple more of these like
So
big
this-
ones.
You guys recognize this. This has been in many of my videos now. So, but I need the same color family. Maybe this one. I don't know. Well, it's not going to sit next to it. So this is what I'm thinking.
Whoop.
So I have these 2 at home, right? And they're like side by side. And then I have the other side of the steps where I need maybe the same size or slightly smaller.
I think that's kind of a cool looking pot, to be honest.
I do too, but I think the mouth is going to be too small. You know, because I'm probably going to have 6 plants to put in here, and then I'm going to run into possibly the same situation I'm in. So that's upside down.
It's
so.
wet.
It is.
Oh, here, I can put it in my purse.
It's okay. We'll try to read it. If not, we'll guess. So I don't know. I don't want white. I want that color family because it pops with pink. So
Are these the only pots they have? Yeah, it looks like
just
it.
go something simple like this.
There's those ones on the top. Oh, wait, that's the same one.
Lana, help me. You pulled the one on the inside. There we go. Thank you. And then just put it right back there, Slick. I think that's a hit. What do you think? Our winner?
I like it.
Yeah.
I think
Close
it
enough.
matches pretty well.
Yeah. Okay, so let's come this way, guys. Because none of these are really.
I'll be honest though, I like this color, like for me, but
Up close, this has got a nice little fleck in it, so it's not just simple.
Yeah.
You know?
I think it's a good one.
Yeah, me too. I like those ideas. Is this the right one? Sue, is this the right one? This is a concentrate. It is Miracle Grow. All right, this is gonna go. I can figure that out. You carry that. So we got plant food, 1 pot. We need 2 bags of Miracle Grow potting soil, which is right in front of us here. Okay, ready, guys? That's it. your azalea shape, there's some kind of something. Oh, like this down here. See?
Yeah.
Evergreens and azaleas. It's
Oh.
plant food for it. So something to think about.
I think we're making a stop at Lowe's tomorrow, so it's good to know.
Yeah. Taking 3 out, every other plug or plant.
I'm worried about this.
There's a shovel right here. I think.
It's taking every third one out.
We're only taking 3 out. So just get your hands in there like this. So I got 1 out. We'll put- And then I'm going to skip one. Is that once you get that first one out? Okay. Okay, just set it here in front of you here. There you go. So then there will be 3 on each side with 1 in the center. Oopsie. Okay, I know I'm filling in those holes with more potting soil. I figure we'll split this bag probably between these 2 pots, and then that other bag will go in the new one. Stole it. Okay, one more.
Alright, I'm good. Look okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh boy.
I can't do it. I can't do it. This is my biggest chain. Shane. You can do this. Oh! All right, let's pour this one in first. And then we'll fill it in with that.
Okay.
Oh, wait a minute.
We gotta, I'll let you do that.
Look at that. Oh. That's how you that's how you pop a drainage hole. This is how you fix it.
You know what you do? I would just put like paper towel or something.
Yes, exactly. Hold on.
Oopsie doozles.
Real life gardening. Look, I'd everyone stand on the towel. All right, so hi guys. So anyway, how we fix this problem is with coffee filters, because we know that coffee filters allow us water to drain through, right?
Yes.
So
absolutely.
hey.
It's fine.
Be free, pellet. All right. So
Perfect.
look at that. Isn't that something? Okay, here we go. Try number 2. No, not yet. These going next. So we got 6.
Yeah.
So let me I'll put mine 1, 2, 3, and then you get yours around here.
Kind of fell apart when I took it out.
That's
That was the first one and I got nervous.
We're gonna pack it in. This one's cracked. We're gonna just pinch. Okay. Yeah, I pinched off. It'll grow back. All right.
That's sticking in.
No. It's garbage. Okay, now we're gonna fill in the holes. And if it's low, I do have more potting soil. I might have to see after we water it if I need to refill it again. Hi, how are you? Yes. I love pink, so every time you walk by, pink is going to be saying hello to you.
Okay, I love red.
I know your glasses show. Okay. Oh, okay, let's hand brush a little bit into this corner here. Let's do this. Okay. There we go.
Might take them a little bit of time to perk up again.
Yeah, this pot's gonna be the one. We're gonna put that right where the camera stand is. I'll do a walkthrough for you guys in a second here. Can you grab that bag? Let's grab our stuff here. Okay. Oh, did you put your... I know. So I
forgot
did get
to.
this too. I hope this is the right one. Soil is really wet right now, so I might wait for a few days until Monday. So when everything needs to be watered, this is a concentrate, so I'll mix it and I'll do that. So, okay. Boy, this is, no, let's try sweeping and see what happens. That's garbage. I can go in that American Girl bag for now. This is actually clean. See, one day that's going to be like buried in flowers. And I'm going to have to move it, and I'm going to be so happy because that means my flowers are so big. Okay. So, this one becomes our corner flower. Let these guys loosen up a little bit here. And like I said, I'm gonna pay attention as the soil settles. And that way, if I need to add some more soil, I will. I've got the flower plant food, which I will be using probably on Monday. Hi guys, again. So this has become like the saga drama, the diary. These are my beloved hyacinths, right? So here's my plan. Today, I am not going to plant these yet because obviously these babies have a long life. But I picked up these begonias. I grabbed 2 of them. I just love Trader Joe's. They have like the best variety in things. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to stick the whole plant, the whole pot,
The whole plant.
the whole plant right above the hyacinths. Look at that. Oh yeah, right. Hold on a second. And now, look at it. They can still breathe. They can still do their thing, and no one is the wiser. No one's the wiser. Have a good weekend, guys. So, these are begonias. This was my surprise purchase today. I was not looking for them. We found them at Trader Joe's. As you saw, I've got 2 of them packed in here. I don't have any markers on these. I can't give you any details besides begonia. I know that begonias and impatiens are shade-loving plants. So when I saw these, I knew these would be a great match for my shady porch here. And I think these are absolutely fascinating. It's like, look at the variegation in this. You have the dark burgundy in color shaded around by the gray. This is just absolutely beautiful. This was not something I was searching for, but I'm so absolutely thrilled to have found it. And these guys still get to carry on. Today was a lovely day. I got to hang out with my kids and go flower shopping and even do a little gardening. And I mean, I did gardening surprises. Thank you. Bye, guys.